Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal. Welcome to Art Explorer Academy.
So let's start the session. So today we will be doing mosaic art. So this is what we are going to make. So this is the mosaic art we are going to make today. Okay. So mosaic art is like it is in the pieces. So you can like there are different designs. This is also one design like Ganesha, and this is another design. Okay, the butterfly one. So I will teach you the technique to do the mosaic art using this design. So you can make your own design and you can practice it at home. Okay. So let's start the session. So let's start the session quickly. So we will make a circle in the center of the paper. So you can adjust your circle accordingly. Okay. So just keep the lid in the center of the circle paper. Okay. Yeah. So let's start quickly. We need to make a circle like this. Okay. So I made a very light line so that I'm going to erase it. So you can also just make a circle. And after that, so we will draw with the sketch pen directly. We don't need to use the pencil anymore. Okay. So what we will do is, you can take a black sketch pen and in the center with the scale, so in the center, make a very small line, like half line, like this. Okay. And then just make a heap of sand like this. Okay. And then we will make a small coconut tree like this. So I know that everybody knows how to draw a coconut tree. It's very easy. Okay. So we first keep the paper horizontal, then draw a circle with the circle maker and make a small circle, big circle, and then in the center make a line with the scale, and then make a heap of sand and a coconut tree inside the circle. Okay. So now I'm just making the branches using the sketch pen. If you want, you can use any medium. So you can use poster color also. Okay. So poster color, acrylic color, anything will be fine. So if you know how to use it, you can use it. I am making it simple for the small children to use it with the sketch pen so that you guys don't make a mess and your drawing is neat and clean. Okay. So I just drew a coconut tree like this. Okay. So I'm just going to fill the sand area with the permanent marker. So this is done, right? Just increase the size of it a little bit to make it smooth. Okay. So the coconut tree is done. I'm filling the color in the tree branch. Okay. So now we will be making mosaic. So what is mosaic? Mosaic is a beautiful art, so which is made in the pieces. So we use various medium for making the mosaic art. So this is a simple mosaic art which we are doing with the sketch pen, but same thing can be done with the paper. So you can cut the paper and stick the paper, and you can use the glass also. The glass cuttings we get in the market. So same thing can be used for making the mosaic. Okay. So anything is fine. Any medium is okay. So it's your choice how to use the how to decorate your painting. Which medium you want to use, that is your choice. Okay. So I have to take out my light blue, sky blue, and dark blue, and orange, yellow. So you can use pencil color also. Okay. So now we will be making small triangles using the orange color. So you can just make a marking. So in the half of it, so let's say this is the area where I'm going to fill in the orange color. So you can make it using the triangles or any other shape. So both are okay, but it has to be very close. Okay. So leave a very small space between the boxes and try to fill up as much as possible. So make a very thin line between the boxes. Okay. So let's try to do it quickly. So this is the line I have made. So on the top, I will be using yellow color, and this is the area. So till here, I'll be using the orange color. So you can make the boundaries like this. So with the shapes only. So I have used mostly square. You can use square, triangle, trapezoid, anything is okay. Okay, so this is the lower boundary for me. And if you see, I have left very little space in the middle. Okay, so first you have to make the shapes inside the circle around the boundaries. Okay, like this. So let me speed up the process. It takes little time. Okay. So people who are using poster color, they can also make the design using the sketch pen, and then later they can fill the boxes with the poster color or watercolor. Okay. So pencil color also same thing. So just make the design first and fill it. So you can use any shape. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to use a particular shape. So you can use even the circles as well. Circle, square, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, anything is fine. So mosaic is a collection of the pieces. So start from the boundary so that the shapes does not go outside the circle. Okay, so it is quite time consuming. So you need to do your work neatly. So you can understand the process. Maybe you can complete it after the session. Okay, so this is the place I have covered with the orange. So now I'm going to use the blue and sky blue color. So how to use that? So I will just make a small line under this, very little space, leave very little space, so that it looks uniform. So we are going to erase this line later. So for the time being, I have just made a small line. So I will just quickly fill up this area as well. Okay, and this also. To give it a more smooth look. Okay, so there are 2 places left. Okay, so now you can make one more line. Yeah, see, people who don't have permanent marker, they can use sketch pen. So no problem. See, only thing if you are using the this, what you call, watercolor or poster color, then you have to be careful. Otherwise, you can use sketch pen. That is absolutely fine. Yes, we have to draw the circle first, Mohit. So draw the circle using the lid. I made a circle, and then in the center I made a line with the pencil, and then I just drew the design and I colored with the sketch pen. So it's very easy. It's not tough. I hope everybody can do it. So let me cover the upper portion. So along the boundaries, you can make the design first and then you can fill it. So there are various design. You can choose any design of your choice. Try to leave equal space between the shapes so that they look little uniform. Please submit your entries in the Facebook. After you are done, link is already shared. How to submit your entry in the Facebook. So the best entry will be displayed separately on the Facebook. And for the last 2 weeks also, the entries are already displayed. Mosaic art is a very old form of art. So in many temples I have seen, they have done this using the glass pieces. So it has its own beauty and it looks very beautiful. With the colorful design and patterns. Okay, so this is done from my side, and now the bottom part. So bottom part, I'm just going to give it a mix. So in between I will do, so I will leave some spaces for the dark blue color. Okay, so just leave one box for the dark blue color. So this is how you have to fill it first along the boundaries so that your design is maintained uniformly. Okay, so here also same thing, just leave some space for the dark blue color boxes. So I will show you one line. So similarly, you can repeat the pattern. Yes, for the poster color, you can draw the big shapes. So I have to fill the color. I have just made the design. So, but too much of big shapes also does not look good. Okay, so this is how I have made one line. Please type the question in the chat box, Risha. I'm leaving the spaces for the dark blue color. So I will just fill it along with the once my light blue is done. Okay, so now I will use my dark blue color to fill the gaps in between. See, we have not made any boundaries with the pencil. We just directly use the color to make the design and pattern. Don't leave too much of space between the boxes. Try to leave the equal space and try to be more uniform as much as possible. And you can fill the color after the session also. Okay, so I'm almost done with it. So I'm now going to fill in the color. Let me quickly hurry up. I hope everybody has understood the procedure. If you have any doubt, please write it in the chat box. Okay, so now I'm just going to fill it in. You're done. Okay, circle shape from the ma'am. We have to form a circle shape from boxes. Yes. No, I made a square. You can make any shape of your choice. So circle is also okay. I made squares, rectangles. So just fill it in line by line and try to keep your work neat and clean. Okay. See, even if your design is a little bit here and there, but if your work is neat, it looks more beautiful. Okay. So neatness and clarity also has its own beauty. So people who have joined for 3 p.m. session, just wait for 5 minutes. So this is just going to be over. I will check everybody's work one by one. So I'm just going to complete it after the session. So I have just showed you how to do it. Okay. So I will do few portion. And we are going to erase the pencil mark after it is dry. Okay. Don't take out the color from the boundaries. So I'll just fill in the orange. By the time more people are joining for 3 p.m. session, I'll just quickly finish the orange and yellow color. And I'll complete the blue part after the session. So don't spoil the boundaries, guys, please. Keeping the white space between the boundaries is very important. So you can we have done for mixing for the bottom part for light blue and dark blue. You can do the mixing for the red and orange color in this portion also, where I have used just orange. Yes, we have to color all the boxes. If you want, you can just leave it like that. Like this also, it looks beautiful. I am just going to color it. It shows that these are the pieces. Okay. So you can do the same thing with the paper as well. So you can take colored paper and cut them into the small pieces. And you can stick them on the paper with the Fevicol. So that is also one way of doing the mosaic art. See, if you're doing with the brush, then you can directly do it with the brush and filling immediately at that time only. Okay. orange part is done. Now I will just fill in the yellow and we will move on to the next session. So this was quite easy. It was not tough. I hope everybody was able to follow it up. Please, if you have any doubt, ask in the chat box so that we can move on to the next session immediately after this is complete. Okay, so this is done. So only little part is left. Let me complete that also quickly. So my work will be over then. So we will move on to the next session. Yeah, so okay, so this is done for me. So we are done. Yeah, it's 3:05. I'm starting. So this session is done. So I'm just erasing the pencil mark and start. So just you can erase the circle with the eraser once your color is dry. People who are using the wet colors, so they can just wait for the color to dry, and then after that they can erase the pencil marks. So it's a beautiful work and it looks very nice and bright. Okay.
Bye everyone. Hope you had a wonderful session.